Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open YouTube website on Chrome Android instead of app. First, unlock your Android phone and find the Chrome browser. Tap the Chrome icon to open it. Once Chrome is open, tap the address bar at the top of the screen. Type youtube.com and then tap the Enter key on your keyboard. You should now see the YouTube website load inside the Chrome browser. If you have the YouTube app installed, you may notice that some links still try to open the YouTube app. To fix this, you need to change a setting on your phone so that links open in the browser instead of in the app. To do this, go to the home screen of your device and long press the YouTube app icon. After that, a menu will appear. From that menu, select App Info. Then, tap Open by Default or Set as Default. You will see an option that says Open Supported Links. Tap on this option and select the option that says Don't allow app to open links. This tells Android not to open YouTube links in the app, and instead open them in your browser. Now return to Chrome and type youtube.com again. The site should open normally in your browser. You can use YouTube just like you would in the app, but inside Chrome. Thanks for watching.